Hello, and I'm going to show you how to make a paper helicopter. What you'll need is a regular piece of printer paper, some scissors, and if you're measuring out like I did, a pencil and a ruler. So I'm using a piece of paper that is 1.5 inches by 5 inches. It doesn't have to be these measurements, but you can experiment and see what works best for you. Now what you do is you take your piece of paper, then you just like fold it in half a little and make a fold like a little less than halfway down the piece of paper. Then you just follow that line and cut the paper. And now you go like about half an inch down from that cut you just made, and you would cut like 1/3 of the way in from each side. Okay, now what you would do is you take each side and fold them in. Like that. Then you take these ones and you fold the one that's on your left side forward, and on your right side backwards. Then you can open it. Then you take the bottom piece right here and just like fold it up. If you want, you can take a paper clip to hold it shut, and that'll give it a little weight for when you drop it. And I will show you what happens when you drop it. Well, it should be something like that. It might not work out right at first because of your dimensions, so just experiment like I said and just try again. Sorry about how hard it is to see it, but